How to use credit balance in Temu. So if you want to use credit balance in Temu, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Temu application if you have the application. But if you don't, then you can just open up your browser and you can log into your Temu on your browser. So just simply search for Temu and log into your account. Now once you've logged in on Temu.com, what you can do is, like, if you're using the application, then you'll have a me icon on the bottom middle. You can just simply go with the me icon. But if you don't have the application, if you're going with your browser, then you can just simply go with the top right, which has that profile section. And under profile, you will have the credit balance. But if you're using the application, you will have me icon on the bottom middle, and on that me icon or inside that, you will have the credit balance option. You can go with credit balance. Now once you're on the credit balance, it will take you to this kind of interface, right? So in my case, I don't have credit balance, but if you have your credit balance and if you want to use your credit balance, then what you can do is just simply go with an item. So any item that you're comfortable with, you can scroll down, and for example, if you want to go with the item which is right here, you just need to simply go with add to cart, which is on the bottom right, and select the product color. Go with add to cart. Once you add it to the cart, now you just need to simply go with the cart option. So tap on the green colored icon and you will have your cart. So you just need to simply choose the items and then go with checkout, which is here on the bottom right. And it will take you to this kind of interface. You can add your address, but if you've already added your address, then you can just proceed to pay. It will use your credit balance to make some discounts while you pay for the item. That's how you can use your credit balance in Temu. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.